Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create Discord account PC. So for you to do that, just head over and click on browser, laptop, then search for Discord, type it in, then search it using the search engine, then you should have something like this on your main screen, and this will take you to the official website for the Discord. So just going to click on the first link, which is official site for Discord. Click on it. Then you should have something like this. On your home page screen. That's something like this. Then you can easily for window open Discord in the browser. So right now I'm just going to use this browser. So this one open Discord. Then right here enter your name. So to enter continue. Good. Have to make sure she's good. Okay. Okay, good. Please click each image containing an anime jumping offline. Okay, time is jumping, and that's all. Let's verify. Good to go. Alright. Oh, that's it. Come to Discord. Right here you can set your password. Example. Okay, so doing something. That is random one. Okay. Alright. So right here you are going to input your email, your display name, your username, password, then also input the date on that. Then you check this, then you confirm. Once you confirm, then you follow the next step, then that should take you back to your login section. Then you input your username, then your password, then that's it. That is how to create an account in Discord. If you find this helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.